right, folks, it's Sunday. I felt like burning some gas today in the Macan. That's what I felt like doing. So we're gonna burn a little gas. We're gonna warm the planet up because it's 49 here in Phoenix. I didn't move to Phoenix to have cold weather. So we're gonna warm the planet up, and we are going to have an exclusive look today at a Model S with the Unplugged Performance CYBRHEX wheels that they built for the upcoming Cybertruck. So we're gonna have a look at that today. It's gonna be incredible. Also, I know you guys don't wanna hear this because this car makes, fumes and kills dolphins and donkeys. But this little diamond button right here activates now the sport exhaust. So you see the sport exhaust is on. If I tap this diamond button, it turns off the sport exhaust. But like I said, we're trying to pollute today. That's what's going on. But I mean, how can you not love the sound of this exhaust, right? All right, I'll stop. Over to see the Model S. Also, this video is brought to you by INTOTHEAM.com. They've been a sponsor on the channel now for 2 years. They make, look at this top. Got a little subtle camo going on. So I'm not gonna be walking around and be like, when did you serve? But it's subtle. And then underneath, we got their basic tees. They're the most comfortable t-shirts I've ever worn. They're extremely comfortable. And if you go to INTOTHEAM.com and use code Gjeebs, that'll save you 10% off in addition to any other sales that they have going on. Also, they did the Electric Desert t-shirt collaboration with me as an ode to the electric car community in Arizona. So it's a desert theme with the electric car, and Spaceman is just chilling. So go to INTOTHEAM.com, use code Gjeebs, it'll save you 10% off. Again, these basic tees, I wear them all the time. They're very comfortable. You're gonna need t-shirts, so why not try INTOTHEAM? Now back to the video. All right, so this is a 2022 Model S long range in midnight silver metallic with satin titanium CYBRHEX wheels. So these wheels officially are being designed for the Cybertruck. When it's gonna be here, who knows? But now we have it on a Model S. Initially when I saw these wheels, I knew they were gonna look good on the Cybertruck. They just kind of fit that military halo look. But on the Model S, they look crazy, especially in the satin titanium. I'm gonna show you a couple details here. So Sasha here, I'm not gonna even try to pronounce the last name, but Sasha was one of Koenigsegg's chief designers, so we'll actually put some pictures up on the screen. You can see the Lamborghini Aventador, the Koenigsegg CCX, and all those. You can see Unplugged Performance etched into these. It says engineered for Tesla etched in, and again, forged motto block, and then what it's forged out of as well. So this color, along with the midnight silver on the Model S long range, so it also has Unplugged Performance's dynamic lowering kit. I'll have that linked in the description so you guys can check out all of the details of it, but it just looks really good. And it's also gonna reduce your coefficient of drag, so give you a little bit more efficiency with the car sitting lower. I just can't believe how good this looks overall, and really changes the look of the Model S. Everyone looks at the plaid and everything in the 0 to 60 times, but you can make these things beautiful and be an enthusiast and tune them and really make them how you want it to look as an enthusiast of the car, and just make you stick out from the pack. Because with Teslas, they're trying to still ramp up and perfect the production process, so they can't offer all of the options that Porsche can offer, Mercedes, BMW. That's why, and especially Unplugged Performance, they're right in Hawthorne. They're right beside the design center, so they have insights that other companies don't have. And it's just really impressive what they've done for this. I just think this thing's absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. That Model S is sick, and Unplugged obviously makes some really cool stuff. James is their director of operations, and when I went out there to get my suspension installed and did all that work with them, him and I kind of hit it off. He gave me a tour of the whole place, and he's at heart why I love Unplugged is they're automotive enthusiasts. And they started with I think tuning GTRs and things. So the fact that the enthusiast community can live on through electric cars, a cool thing to me. And a lot of the stuff that they build, actually all of the stuff that they build, outperforms the durability of the Tesla OEM bits. Tesla, because of their mass producing, they can't go to the fine-tuned details that Unplugged can in the aftermarket. So the CYBRHEX wheels are sick, and they're gonna look really good on the Cybertruck when it comes out in 2050. So if you guys wanna watch the install of me getting the new suspension put in my Model Y, the comfort suspension, click this video right here. here. It's good if you think your Model Y ride's too stiff. That'll be a good video for you to check out. And I think they have a new version of their coilovers coming out, so hopefully we can get our hands on those at some point. And that's it.